We have with us today the CEO and founder, Chipin Computer Console. How are you, Mr. Dilip?
I'm doing good, Kate. How about you?
All good, all good. Could you please tell us what is when did you start this company and what service do you provide?
Okay, Chipin was started in the year 2009, and the primary reason for starting Chipin was that we found a gap in the market. I was an IT manager working with a company, and I found that if I want to get any services, I need to go to multiple vendors. So I was not able to find a reliable IT company which can do hardware, software, websites, and everything together. So that is why we formed Chipin in 2009. And in terms of services, we are a 360-degree IT solutions company. We provide services ranging from office setups to maintenance to cloud hosting to Azure, doing software development, doing website development, and social media marketing.
One of the major IT problem for the business is this not only in the UAE but entire world is the security level of the company. What can you say about this?
Security is a very big problem, and talking about Dubai, especially security, IT security is a major challenge. Dubai is known as a hub for billionaires, so a lot of billionaires are moving to Dubai, and with that, a lot of hackers are also coming in to find out easy money. People in Dubai are easy targets for the hackers because the smaller businesses don't have any IT systems or any security systems in place. So what happens is when we look at things, we work with a lot of small and medium enterprises. Now we cannot invest budgets of NASA to secure them, but what we do is we always try and ensure that they are protected to a good extent and they have backups. So if they have backups, then we can the business continuity can be maintained because in case of a breach or in case of a problem, we can always restore data and move forward. Like I say to some of my customers, that it's not a question of if you will be hacked, but the question is when you will be hacked, because people are after people in Huawei.
Yes. Yes. Do you encounter the major challenges from the client itself? How you can address them?
One challenge which we face in the UAE market is, and especially with the IT industry, is that people think that they know IT. So there are a lot of vendors, unfortunately, in our industry who are working as IT providers, but actually don't know the details of IT, and then they will go ahead and guide customers on different aspects of technology without understanding the repercussions. So similarly, we find customers sometimes, when we pitch them a service, they say, "Why do we need this service? I have a friend who can do it." So there is a gap, and customers are looking for good service, and we are looking for customers who actually value IT, rather than looking for people who just are, looking for basic IT setups. We work with companies which are more towards, which consider IT to be a part of their business.
Mhm. In terms of customer service support, we also know that there is some, let's say, called angry clients. So, what can you say and how you can deal with that?
Angry clients, well, any customer service business will find angry clients because it's very difficult to, satisfy everyone. Um, Luckily, we haven't been in these situations very rigorously. But whenever we find an angry client, we are always very patient in terms of understanding what the problem is and how things are. And then we try and guide them to an extent in which their problem can be resolved. And we try to satisfy them to a good extent.
Wow, nice. By the way, thank you for having us today, Mr. Dilip. And we
Pleasure.
gained the value insight into the importance of having the proficient IT partners capable of managing the IT infrastructure, handling the data, and ensuring the security. Can you invite them? Where did you can them to contact you?
If you want to get in touch with us, you can go to chipin.ae. That's chipin.ae. And you can find us on Google, you can find us on Facebook, you can find us on Instagram. And you're most welcome to come to our office, pay us a visit, and have a look on how we can help.